Over $1,000 in 24 hours. In this video, I'm going to break it all down with you. So I'm going to share with you proof of the concept. Then we'll look at how simple this is. We'll look at exactly how this method works. And here's my guarantee. If you watch this video till the end, you'll know exactly how this works and how you can set it up. And I'm going to share with you tools and resources so you can speed up this whole process. But first, let's actually look at the numbers so you can see what I am going to be sharing with you is indeed true. So let's go over to the numbers now. Okay, so I'm over in Beacons, and you can see this over here is the total earnings. You can see we've had a bit of a jump since last week, but let me show you the numbers again. So I'm going to click on here. So this is the number. So you can see here on Monday, the 6th of April, we did 883. The following day, we did 299. Then we finished the little promotion that we was doing, and I'm going to show you all of that in a second. But then this morning, we opened it up again, and you can see we're already up to $69, and it's only just gone 10 a.m. in the morning. So it's going really well. Okay, so with this method, you're going to need something to sell, and there's a number of different things that you can be doing with this, and we'll cover it in the video. But ultimately, the offer, because that's what we are going to be creating, we create an offer, and it needs to be this. It needs to be a complete no-brainer. It needs to make sense for people to essentially part with the cash. So let me show you the offer that I put together, and then we'll look at different products and other things and how you can set this up yourself. Okay, so let's come out of here and let's come over to here. So this over here is on the platform called School. I have a community called Faceless Freedom, and I'll show you this now. So if I go into the classroom here, we have a number of class. In fact, let me show you it on the members view as well. Okay, so you can see. Oh, let me come out of there. Let me go to members view. I'm going to view it as a member. So this is how it looks to members. So people come in, they get free access to these classrooms up here. They can unlock these at level 2, which means they just need to interact, and then they get access. After that, we've got these other classrooms which are locked. Okay, so you can see they can purchase them for $20 or they can sign up to $10 a month. So I'll show you how that looks as well. So if somebody wanted to do this, they'd click on unlock with premium. So we've got this over here, which is free. We've then got the standard $10 a month premium, and then we've got VIP a year. So essentially, most people are going on this $10 a month. So they're paying $120 a month to get access to this whole community and classroom about earning online with faceless content. You can see loads of different things we've got inside of here. I've also then got another community, which is this one over here called AI Income Lab. So this one I charge $5 a month for, and it's exactly how it sounds. It's all about different side hustles you can be using with AI. So because I've got these two different communities, I thought I'm going to do a promotion on this. And I'll show you, I'll show you everything we did, okay? So if I scroll down the page here, hopefully up near the top, yeah, look, lifetime access. So this was the post I did 6 days ago with inside the community. We offered a lifetime access to both of these communities for $59. So essentially, if someone was going ahead and buying this, you can see here, $180 a year costs them for access to both. But yeah, we're giving them lifetime access for $59. So it does make sense. It's and I'm not just saying it's a complete no-brainer. It is the content and the information and everything we give our members inside of here. It is well worth $59 a month. 10x that easily. But this is the whole concept. We have a product, which is our community. We then make an offer, which is a no-brainer, which was this down here, where we're giving them huge savings and we're also giving them lifetime access. And then people can purchase it. Now, with regards to this, I'm going to show you this as well. This is over on Beacons. Now, I've shared videos with you in the past about Beacons, about how it's free. You can sign up to Beacons absolutely for free. This is how it looks over on the front end. I'll show you the back end as well. So let's go to link in bio and website so you can see this. This is it. So you just add a block in here and you can put in digital products in here, or any products basically. So you can see, let me go back to the front page. So this is it. So we created this little offer on here. If anybody from the community wanted to get access to this, they simply came over here, they clicked on this, and then they could go ahead and purchase it and get, you can see up here, $59 lifetime access to this. And this is the process. So if we go back to the beginning of this, when I said ultimately you're going to need a product to sell. Loads of people freak out by that. They think they've got to go over to Canva and spend hours, creating a digital product. You don't. You can create a digital product using AI, realistically, a half decent one, within an hour. You absolutely can do. If you're over in Faceless Freedom, you can literally just go into the classroom over here and go down to the software suite. And these in here, I've made these something called MR. Oh, sorry, I always get it wrong. MRR, Master Resell Rights. So you can find products, and again, I'll show you this. If I go on Google and I type in Master Resell Rights, like so, you can go out and you can see here, look, Master Resell Rights are licenses for digital products. This can be ebooks, courses, or templates that you can sell the product yourself. So you can go onto these different websites. I mean, some of them are absolutely trash, but you've just got to be careful when you're doing this and looking at what's available and stuff. But you can come on websites like this and you can find products with master resale rights. You buy them one time and it gives you a license, so you can essentially sell them as your own product. So I do similar for the members of the community over here. So all of these products that I've created, all of these custom GPTs, or like this one here, the viral video cloner, we make these master resale rights. So that means anyone who is in Faceless Freedom can list these products here on their own platform like this. So again, let me show you this. So if I go back and then I scroll down, you'll see here we've got them down here. So look, there is the viral video cloner. We've got a white label AI bundle. We've got this one, and this one. So anyone can just get access to them, list them on the shop, and then start selling them. But the whole purpose of it is whenever we're doing an offer on here or a promotion, we're making it a complete no-brainer. And even this one up here, I think it's $40. It's a no-brainer because of what they actually get. But with regards to this method that we are looking at today, if we start at the beginning, we create an account over on Beacons absolutely for free. Once we've created an account for free, we then list our different products on here and we give it a price point. The products that you're listing, that can be in any category, it can be in any niche. If it's something that's going to help someone, remove a hurdle, give them quicker results, you can simply put them on here and start selling them. Once you've got it all set up on here, you then need to be driving traffic, i.e. people, over to your Beacons page over here. How do you do that? You can do it in a number of ways. You can be doing YouTube, you can be doing Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok. There's loads of different ways you can do this. It really is. But as you've seen over here, this method works. It just takes a little bit of time and a little bit of effort. And as I showed you at the beginning of the video, $1,000 within a 24-hour period is very achievable. And I'm doing this with a relatively small audience as well. So predominantly, this over here, this promotion we did, was for the members in here. So it's not huge numbers, is it? Absolutely not. So look, that's today's video. But if you take anything away from this, what I would say to you is stop overthinking everything, stop overcomplicating it. Go to Beacons, create a free account, start looking at some different digital products you could create, whether it's a checklist, an ebook, a guide, a PDF, a blueprint, anything, it doesn't matter. And just start getting them listed on here and going through the process, because the hardest part for many is getting started. So just make an effort. And as usual, come over and join Faceless Freedom. It's absolutely free to come in. We give you access to a number of different classrooms and tools and resources. And we have gifts and resources where we update this each week. And we even put in here master resale right products for you. So you can come in for free and get access to all of these. So yeah, there you go. Any questions, let me know.